Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you create a sequence in a specific column. Either if you require to create a serial number 1 to 300 or 1 to 500, what we do normally, we type it, right? We type it like this, right? And then we select and we drag this one like this, it get filled. But in doing this is a wrong way. I'll show you the better way, which will not only save time but it will be quicker. So we need to remember this: equal to sign, type name and symbol, and just type sequence. So sequence, and put the desired number of the series. Let's say we need for 300 comma 1, starting with 1, and hit enter. So it will automatically it will populate it here to 300. If I scroll down a little bit lower, you can see here it has populated to 300. This is how this formula works. This is a better way and it saves time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.